Hi, it's Tisha Paul. I'm in New York, USA. So, social media marketing, we told you already what it was. Giving you examples now. Think Facebook, think Twitter, think Instagram. Those are all social media marketing. Those are all social media. They are the landlords, we are the tenant. I'm 47. I've been using social media for 25 years. I started a business on the internet with $14 in my bank account. With the internet, I never looked back. I just created a web page and then I just told people what I was doing. And then I used social media to connect with people. So, why do people use social media? Well, first of all, the traffic. It's predicted that there are 3.5 billion people per day, not per week, per day on social media. That's not even the internet. That's 3.5. We're talking the big social media pages, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, okay? And Twitter. Those are the ones I'm talking about. What are those people doing on the internet? I like to tell you the internet is like highways, it's like roads. You know, people are driving from one place to the next. Well, they're driving to go to work, they're driving to go get entertained, they're driving to go see family, they're driving to go to church, to religious organization. That's the internet. Now it's not our physical body that's driving, it's our mind. It's our mind that's going, okay? So all our minds are like in that internet, okay? And we are searching on the internet. What are we searching for? Connection. Connection first with friends and family. That's the first thing we're searching. Information is next. That's another reason we are on the internet. We are searching for information to help us or help somebody we love. And education, that's the most things that people are searching. They're trying to get knowledge. Why? That's how I got knowledge. There was, back then it wasn't the internet. I had to drive to conferences and put myself in. I never ever went to college to do marketing or to the media or to do writing. I mean, yes, I did go to law school and I got a journalist degree, but for media, to learn marketing and to learn the internet and to learn other stuff, I just drove to places. Real estate, for example, I physically drove to places and went to seminars. Now you just go on the internet and you get the seminars. So you're doing what I did to gain wealth, to get rich, to get free of debt. You're seeking information, education, because knowledge is power, and the internet brings knowledge faster than it have ever bring, and it's bringing it for free or for a reduced price. I used to pay at seminars back in the days $600 for physical seminars. You're not paying that today. You're paying what? $2.99 to get premium? I mean, or it's free. YouTube has made knowledge so insightful. It is a blessing to be able to provide knowledge. And I too go on the internet and seek more knowledge. I'm raising 9-year-old twins, so I use the internet to do that. And another thing people use the internet to do is to spread messages. You know, people are using the internet to spread messages. So now we're going to go to social media. What does social media do? Well, people are using it for good and they're using it for bad. We're not going to go into the bad. We're going to go into good. So a couple of things that people use social media to do, okay? They're using social media to educate themselves. You know, all the clothes that I bought, everything that I'm wearing, I get it from social media. I educate myself on fashion, trendy stuff, news. I'm an independent journalist. Like I explained to you, I went to law school and I got a minor in law review journalism. So I'm able now, after 2020, I used to be in the city on Newsmax or Fox talking the news, talking information. Now I'm on the internet getting the information through social media. So now there's even a bachelor's degree called social media influence. I mean, if your child said they're going to be a YouTuber, it is now a job, okay? YouTube is a job because of the internet. That's social media. People are providing news and information through YouTube. They're actually making it very professional. So do not laugh if somebody said they're going to be a YouTuber. Those are now jobs. And you don't need a degree to do it. You need a lot of passion, okay? Social media influencer, that's a job. Social media marketer, digital marketer, those are all jobs. You don't need a degree to do it. You just need to learn. I did social media marketing without a degree. I did it from learning. I did it from just learning the internet, okay? That's how I did it. And why did I learn social media marketing? Because it's the opposite of a PR. A PR gets $3,000 to $5,000 a month. So if you have a business, so you use social media to educate yourself, entertain yourself. There's a lot of stuff on there to get news, newsworthy stuff, to get knowledge very, very fast. It's one of the fastest way to get knowledge, or to do a business, to make money. And that's one of the reasons I do social media, is to make money. Okay? I use social media to make money. And I'm here now to teach you how to make money on social media. It's called social media marketing. Yes, people are going to school to get a degree for it, but you can actually learn. Subscribe if you want to learn more about social media marketing, because I only have 3 more minutes to go. So social media marketing, you're going to use Facebook, you're going to use Twitter, you're going to use TikTok and YouTube, and you're going to brand yourself because it's free. There is 2-way business are made, from sweat equity, which is you doing the work and not getting the pay for a while, or capital, which is you are rich, or you borrow money, or you use people's money, you get them in partner with you, and they can scale the business. So I just do marketing because I am saving $3,000 a month from PR by using social media. You want to provide content, accurate content, content that provides good research, okay? You could use photographs. You could spread the news of your business on social media. Branding. You do see branders people are in problem with the woke culture with Target and Budweiser. Their social media branding didn't go well. Social media branding is free because for most people, you can do it organic engagement. We know that Target and the other company, Anna Bush, they got in trouble for doing that transgender branding. It didn't work for them. So kind of stay away from controversial branding. Try to do natural and normal branding and bring word to mouth to it. Use social media to market your business, because now it leveled you up to the playing field. You have heard people getting rich from the internet, and that's because they're using social media to leverage their brand. You are your brand. You can provide a product or service even without a degree, okay? 13-year-olds are gamers. They are branding themselves through social media. My 9-year-old son made a game, digital asset, and we're hoping to brand him through social media. So social media is used to brand you. If you do not want to use it for business, use it to promote something that you feel can change this world, okay? Like people are trying to end poverty. They're using social media to bring awareness to stuff. Marketing is good. Digital marketing is what you will use social media to do. And why do you want to do it? Because publication is getting obsolete and digital marketing is the future. My producer said we're out of time. I'm Tisha Powell. And like I said, I'll bring you more. I'm a former Wall Street attorney, former business law professor, and I am 47 years old, and I've used the internet since I was 17. I bought my first computer for $2,000 17 years ago. It was those massive computers, and I've been doing it. And when SEO came out, I taught myself SEO, and I started a business on the internet, and I never looked back. So I was able to scale a business on the internet for free. I had $14 in my bank account, and I couldn't rent any place. So I used the internet to create a web page, and people came to me and I went and did my business. And then it got saturated and I had to pivot to something new. And so now here am I doing digital asset YouTube as a former journalist. I'm now a digital journalist. I'm independently bringing you information that can change your life. So I love using the internet. And go ahead and subscribe so you can learn more about digital marketing. Yes, I went viral on Twitter, 1.6 million. That's a social media. Twitter, it cost, what did I do? I tweeted, I wrote some words that was useful, and I used search engine optimization to get it to the top. So I'll teach you more about that. You have to learn search engine, which is Google, and it's not difficult to learn. We'll talk more. I'm Tisha Paul. I'll see you soon.